the channel. So today we are here at the new Goon Squad garage, and today we are going to continue working on our 2019 Lamborghini Urus. As you guys seen in the previous video, we got 3 builds off of the property over here, which is pretty dang crazy. They cleared up a good bit of space, and we're actually going to probably do a little bit of organizing today. I say we throw some stuff back up on that triple stacker after, of course, we test rip some stuff, dude. What do you say we test rip the Dodge Viper, dude?
Dude, we have to, dude.
We have to, man. That thing is just absolutely insane. And then we'll probably clean it up, put it back onto the top. But the main focus of today is to finish up the wrap on this 2019 Lamborghini Urus, which we basically knocked out the most difficult stuff, which was definitely that front bumper and maybe what else was
the roof, maybe, the roof, but it wasn't that difficult. You know what I mean?
Everything is actually going pretty smooth, and we are learning so much, and we're able to take you guys right along with us, which is just super epic. And all we really got left is just the rear bumper and this rear trunk lid, which I think that's going to be pretty simple. And then of course we have a few little black accent pieces that we got to wrap, so that's going to be pretty easy as well. So I think we just get right after it, dude. What do you say,
we have
man?
to, dude. Let's just knock out the wrap. That way we don't have to wrap no more, and just start just putting this thing together, dude.
Exactly. And of course we do got to wrap the jams as well, but we can save that for a little bit later. And I think the key may be in today's video. We're hoping for it to arrive either today or tomorrow, dude. So we'll see what happens, because this thing hasn't been fired up yet. So once it gets fired up, dude, we're just gonna go straight up ripping.
We're gonna be fired
dude.
up, dude.
We're gonna be fired up, exactly. But anyways, guys, I say we go ahead, dive right into it, and try to get this sucker finished up. Alrighty guys, so it is actually the next day here, because it just took so long to get the rest of this stuff wrapped up. But you know what? It turned out absolutely amazing. And of course we had a few little issues here and there. I guess we'll go over the issues first. First off is gonna be this right here. You know, we kind of talked about this situation on the front bumper where there's like some super like aggressive lines right there. It kind of wants to peel up right there. That's exactly where you throw in an inlay, which is gonna be super easy to do. Same for down here. So I think what we're gonna have to do is probably just cut it right along there, throw an inlay into there, and also an inlay into there. What do you think about that?
Something super simple. You can hardly tell. I mean, we did some inlays in here, and you can barely even tell anything, dude.
That jam of that bumper looks super good right there. And of course, same thing on this side. We'll have to quickly change that. But we also moved on to the rear trunk, and this sucker is looking absolutely amazing. We have to take it completely apart just to wrap it like that. Turned out flawless right here, and even better, turned out super amazing right here. So this right here is actually some new high gloss wrap. So on this roof right here, we used a different brand, which it looks pretty good, but I think it has to be out in the sun for it to like just flatten out and everything. But this right here is called Scratchless High Gloss Black Wrap right here, and it comes with an extra film over the top. And look at that, dude. That looks like a paint job right there. It does,
dude. This is some high-end stuff right here. It's super thick. It's kind of hard to work with, not as easy, but the results are way better. I mean, look at that. It almost looks like a paint job, dude.
It does. That turned out absolutely amazing, and we're gonna keep on moving with this whole entire wrap job, just pieced together as much as we possibly can. And that key never did arrive yesterday, and I don't know if it's gonna arrive today, dude. We're really hoping for it to come in, but you know what? We still got plenty of work to do on this Urus, so that's exactly what we're gonna continue doing, is working on that today. But before we do anything, we're gonna go ahead and fire up this Viper right here, and we're gonna rip around town. We're gonna rip all the way to 23rd Garage and pick up the truck that the deer hit. You know what I mean?
Dude, it's finally done, and we did a little bit of customizing. They did a little bit of customizing to it, which is gonna look a lot better,
It's gonna look absolutely amazing. I can't wait to show you guys. Let's go ahead and give this thing a quick little wash and rip over there. swap of battery because, dude, something is draining this thing.
Dude.
Little spiders in here, dude.
I'm telling you, but yeah, this thing just keeps draining for some reason, but it's never on a trickle charge, you know
That's
what I mean?
true. But you know what, dude? This thing is scary. This is the scariest car we have, and we're gonna rip it right now, dude.
The best, the funnest car too.
Definitely, dude. What? No gas now.
Oh, shoot.
I think Pops is gonna
We gotta make it to a gas station. Ace. No gas.
I think Pops has always got gas on him. Let's see if he's got some. All right, what you got there, Pops? Is that 93 or is that 87?
93.
Or is that diesel? This thing takes diesel.
Diesel.
whatever cuts it on, honestly.
I know, right? At this point, you know. Nice. That should be enough to get us to the next gas station.
And fill her all
Barely.
the way up.
We're gonna run on fumes partly, dude.
A little bit. It takes, that's it. That's enough for 1 mile right there.
One throttle pedal punch.
Oh.
This thing is running on miles per gallon right now. Keep smiling. Keep smiling, we'll make it there.
Can't drive this thing slow.
I know, right?
It doesn't drive slow. What gas station? This one?
Yeah, this one's good. Gotta pull in really carefully. You've got to be kidding me. Look at this. Full pump. It's just trickling. I don't know what they expect. They want you to just camp out over here to get some fuel.
Man.
This gas station is known for that, dude. Honestly, every time I come here.
That's why we barely come here. This is only on a rare occasion. We almost ran out of fuel.
Emergencies. Made it here to 23rd Garage, and here the truck is looking nice and mint and fresh and clean.
Let's go see where it got damaged from. First of all, we painted the grill all black. All the chrome is completely gone. We left this though, that bronze looks really good. This is all black. The mirrors are now fully black. Looks, dude, the front end looks super beastly.
Wow.
And, dude, it's finally fixed, dude. Buffed out. Look at that. It's better than the OEM finish right there.
I'm telling you, that is much better than OEM. It looks like nothing happened, and it really didn't. It was just a little deer that kind of ran into the bumper, and it kind of just like put a couple scratches here, and one of the hoofs or the antler just put a dent in that door.
Yeah, but look at that, dude.
Wow,
back
dude.
to OEM spec. It looks amazing. I mean, this just looks good.
Hold up 1 second, guys. You know, we came here to take the truck, but I think we might have to take something else with us in the bed of the truck right here, dude.
Sir, it'll fit too.
It sure will. Where did you guys manage to scoop this thing, dude?
This car belongs to Jason over at Rebuild Rescue. It's got literally like a tiny little lawnmower engine.
No
you know
way.
The Mr. Bean car, the Mini?
Yeah.
Look at that motor.
What? Is that 2-cylinder motor? Seriously?
No, it's 4-cylinder. Currently a 2-cylinder.
Dang. I bet
Look at
this
that,
thing.
it's got 2 carbs on it.
Wow. Golly, I bet this thing rips though, doesn't it? Look at that. Is that a turbo?
Yeah, that's a supercharger.
Electric supercharger?
Electric supercharger, man. eBay special.
Oh my goodness, guys, look at the front end of this truck right here. I absolutely love it, man. I was missing this truck for the longest time. Everything's blacked out. We got the vent, we got the mirror tops right there. I think we're still gonna black out a few more items. Even that little side step right there, it's got a little bit of chrome on it. We're gonna black that
chrome, the window trim, door handles, 100%. We just want to, I think it'll look super good. And 100%, we're gonna do a super nice tint on this thing.
100%.
You know, get it all like ceramic tinted and everything.
I think we might even wrap this truck right here a crazy color. I mean, it looks good all blacked out, but if we wrap it and leave all this black, it's gonna still look absolutely insane.
Hey, let us know what is better, an all blacked out truck or a wrap truck, or a super cool color.
Dude, this truck is about to be absolutely insane, and we're letting you guys kind of build it, so definitely drop all your comments and thoughts down below. As for that Viper, dude, oh my gosh, my heart is still pounding, and I wasn't even driving, dude.
That thing right there is a ripper. That's all it is. It's just an ultimate ripper. You can't drive that thing slow, and the clutch it has on it just prevents you from doing that, dude.
It ain't got a single slow gear in it. You know what I mean?
Sir, dude.
This thing is wild, and like as far as selling this sucker, I know a lot of people have been asking us about it. Are you gonna sell it? No. This is a thing that we are not selling, because after you drive it and then all the amount of attention that you get, that's one thing. But then again, what it's been done to it is another thing. It's got a full long block motor, probably about like, I don't know, 30 grand into that motor alone right there. It's got full headers and exhaust. This thing is insane.
Yeah, and we can do more. Like, we're thinking about doing like an ACR wing, maybe even an ACR diffuser, and even maybe even some custom wheels on this thing. You never know, dude.
I think we should throw a bunch of carbon fiber at this thing. It's already got like a good bit of carbon fiber, but imagine if we threw some carbon fiber wheels at it, a carbon fiber diffuser right here, a carbon fiber wing, carbon fiber ducts right there, carbon fiber lip, carbon fiber.
The hood's already carbon fiber. Might as well add on to it.
And the trunk is,
dude.
It's
all carbon fiber,
This thing would get super light. I don't think we actually want that, dude. This thing's already fishtail happy. You know what I mean?
It's already sliding, and it's fun to slide this thing, dude.
It is, dude. This thing is wild right here. So guys, I guess we just wanted to kind of throw that out there, and maybe we'll wrap it. What else can we do to it? A parachute.
Dude,
100% a parachute.
Drag slicks and a parachute.
Imagine if we did a parachute, drag slicks, sequential gearbox, twin turbos, took it to the drag strip, and flew away.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. Might as well put wings on it. But for right now, dude, it is beautiful. We're just gonna have to just look into it. Let us know what you guys would like to see. This thing is not going anywhere. There's so much we can do to this thing. Look at that, dude.
It cleaned up really good. But as for everything else, like the GTM and maybe the Mustang and the Supra, that stuff is for sale, guys, like we mentioned in the previous video. But anyways, guys, it's time to get back to work on this Lamborghini Urus. Let's finish up wrapping all the little stuff and hopefully start putting the rest of the interior together.
Man, this thing is looking amazing in the rear end,
dude. You got that right. We finally threw on this carbon fiber diffuser right here from 1016 Industries, and that right there makes this rear end look super mean, dude.
I am telling you, definitely made it a little bit lower too, because it dropped it down even lower than these exhaust tips. What I was saying, dude, it goes all the way around, which looks absolutely insane. Definitely gives it that aggressive look. I don't know what that silver or gray, whatever it was, I don't know what it was doing, but it didn't belong on this car.
No,
dude.
sir. This right here is what this car needed, and it's gonna look even better once we throw that exhaust on. But of course, that's gonna be later. And of course, we threw on this whole entire trunk lid, dude.
The whole trunk, threw the lights on. This light's kind of weird. It got a little bit of condensation in there, a little bit of water. I don't know how to get it out. If you guys have any tips, let us know. But other than that, dude, this looks absolutely sick. The wing and all goes with the roof. Just look at that, man. All we're missing is just to slap on this rear glass, and that's gonna be like all black. It's gonna look good, amazing.
It's gonna look super good. And we even wrapped up the jams on the inside. That right there took a long time to do. Super difficult to do jams, but look at that. Looks like a paint job,
That's
dude.
exactly right, and that's what we're going for. It does take a little bit longer on the jams, of course, because you're just curving it like in all sorts of ways. So that was pretty difficult, took a lot of time, but I think the door jams area is gonna be a little bit easier, you know what I mean?
100%. I think that's definitely gonna be a breeze, but look at this. We also threw on this fender flare right here, and look at the black accents up on this wrap color here, dude.
Amazing. Definitely a perfect combination right here. And we didn't throw the little wing on yet, but dude, it kind of looks clean without it. Dude, what do you think?
It does, but I think that wing kind of gives it a little bit more sharpness and a little bit more aerodynamica.
Yeah, we'll throw it on.
We'll throw it on, yeah. We'll wrap it. It's going to look super good. But guys, I got to say, we are losing motivation on this thing,
A little bit of
dude.
motivation is being lost as we go because the key is still not here. We thought I was going to make it in this video, but I guess not. It just kind of sucks, man. We've been working on this car for so long. Over $100,000. Thousands of dollars have went into repairing this thing as well, and we have not yet heard this thing start, dude. Not even the ignition turn on.
That's the thing, dude. It kind of scares us a little bit because this, you know, might be a lot more like problems like within the motor internally.
We'll just have a good looking Urus, but can't start or drive, dude.
Dude, that's kind of why it's kind of hard to actually like really stay focused on this thing, I guess. But at the same time, it's fun. You know what I mean?
Fun, and we're it's just a little gambling that we're playing right now. Like,
so that's the fun part about it,
that's
right?
the fun part about it. But once that key comes in and we hear this thing start up for the first time, I'm telling you, this thing's gonna be ripping around in no time, dude.
But guys, that's pretty much gonna be a wrap for today's video. We weren't able to get to the interior, but you know what? We're gonna get that done probably in the next video, and I think we might have 1 or 2 more videos on this Urus right here, and that's gonna be all, guys. We're gonna move on to the next thing. We got some very epic things planned, so I hope you guys stay tuned. Definitely drop all your comments and thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.